Hello everyone, welcome for a new video. Today we are talking about... Here we go on CapCut, here's my video. I'm going to generate the caption. I'm going to click on caption, then auto detect, bilingual I don't need, and I generate the caption. So we let CapCut work. We have all our caption, automatic caption. Yeah, you can read it. Perfect. So if you don't want to have them on screen, but you want to have the option for your viewers to watch it, we just save the file separately from our video, and then you can upload it on YouTube. Let's go and save it first. So I'm gonna click on export. Usually if you want to add it on your video, you will have video, audio and caption, but in this case I don't want to save the video nor the audio. Perfect. So now only caption, file SRT is the file that is perfect on YouTube. We are going to give a title to our caption. I use usually the same title of the video. Once we are done it, I'm gonna press export. In 1 second is all done. Perfect. Caption exported. Now we are going on YouTube. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Once we put the details, we're gonna click on video elements. I'm gonna click add subtitles. Perfect. Now we can see the video, the preview of the video. I'm going to click file with timing, so that will be perfect. And I'm going to select the file. Here we go. Here we go. SRT. Double click, and you can see all the caption. I'm gonna play, so you can regulate it yourself. You can play, you can cut, you can jump and fix the area that you want. Just make sure, obviously, everything is written correctly. Like for example here, I can fix this bit 264 H264 for example. Yeah, make sure you correct it if there's any issue. Once you're done, you just press done. You keep going on your video, checks visibility, and then basically you can upload your final video. And see you tomorrow for another new video. And make sure you double check these 2 cool effects.